Hello ladies and gents, welcome to another little vloggy vlog, if you will. Welcome. It's a beautiful day. We are in Queens. It's actually 55. I just came from Jersey. I'm a little bit overdressed. Good Lord. There we go. Yeah, it's a beautiful day, and I just got something stuck in my eye, so I'm a little bit, trying to get it out. I might have to take it home after all, because I am full of yo, come on. There we go. Too many folks around here, and I'm too warm, so I don't even know what the point of this little vlog is. God damn. The point of this vlog is that you gotta ride with your shield down, because I just got something in my eye, and it's not cool at all. Look at that. Gorgeous. Look how pretty. Oh wow. What a beautiful town. Beautiful. What a gorgeous little place. Look at this. It's like a little traffic jam here for no reason. Folks just chilling, enjoying themselves, going slow. For funsies. I mean, Pennsylvania and New Jersey. I know, these folks here are, that dude is scared. I mean, he's on the phone, legitimately. Ooh. Nice little G, getting hand washed. Dope. You gonna let me through? Maybe, kinda, sorta. That's cool, bro. Appreciate it. Yes, no, kinda, maybe. I don't have time. Oh, right. I wanted some of that spread. I just don't want to park. It's okay. I might just go for a walk. Might end up just walking. With this person. They're gonna try to beat me? Probably. They probably will. Not only will they try, they will do. Good old Greenpoint. Hustle and bustle. The hustle and the bustle. I gotta clean the eye out. God, it's bothering me. But for that I need a mirror and to take off my gloves. Look at this guy. He don't care. He's on a little Grom. That's adorable. Is that a real Grom? I don't know. Look at these people. Oh God. Yeah, this is not... I don't know why I always go down Greenpoint, knowing that it's a complete bitch. You fucking prick. Of course you're from fucking Ohio. Of course he's from fucking Ohio. You know? Where else would he be from? Fucking not Ohio? Real talk. Good Lord. Too many tourists today. Too many folks from out of town. The Christmas tree must be seen. The Christmas tree must be spotted. That biker is about to ride by and fucking smack me on the back of the head. And I'm not even going to be mad at her. Look, this person is about to go whack. No, not even. I'm shocked. Alright. The magic of McCarran. Is that the new cross track? I feel like that's the new cute little cross track. That's not the Outback. It's kind of adorable. Look at this dude. Yeah, that is the cross track. It's adorable. No, good. And this Ram is moving with authority, like a pickup truck that it is from Westbury. He's like, you know, cruising, chilling. He's like a little cool guy in a way. Yeah, we're not gonna do that. Yeah, we're not gonna do that. We're not gonna do that. All that like inching about and all that shit. Yeah. You can do that on your own. I feel like the tears are cleaning my eye out. What is the moral of this vlog? There's no moral. There's nothing to be learned here. Nothing to be gained besides the fact that I need an exhaust.